In this video, we will answer the question if you can play Nintendo Switch 2 games on Nintendo Switch 1. So if you have a Switch 1 and you want to play Switch 2, this user asks if this one is actually compatible. So for this case, you can buy a Switch 2 game and throw it into a Switch 1 console. The game will downgrade itself, so you won't have to find a Switch 1 version of the game. It will already exist in the Switch 2 games. But if you have a Switch 2 console, the game is cleaner, smoother, and pretty, and I think that's what the people know. So you can play Switch 2 games on Switch 1, it will just downgrade itself. Meaning, Switch 2 games that will have Switch 1 counterpart. Basically, the Switch 2 card contains both versions of the game, and depending on which console you put it on will depend on which version you want to play. So here are some examples such as Mario Kart, Donkey Kong, and the likes. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.